It's never too early to begin a campaign, and we have another longtime church member who's been in this church a long time, and he is beginning his campaign for the 2010 election. He's currently barangay captain. He's going for Senate next time. I'd like to call on Mr. Lee.
Good morning, everyone. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, fellow Filipinos and Chinese. I am so glad to be here. As you all know, ako po ay dating congressman na tumakbo pong barangay captain. But it is my vision to honor God and advance His kingdom by making disciples, training leaders, and running for elections in the barangay, Congress, Senate, and ultimately the Malacanang Palace. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, ako po ay galing Balayang, Batangas, kung saan masarap ang kape, okay ang asukal at medyo marami ang aming dagat. Ngunit kahit na po marami ang aming dagat, yung specialty namin, alam niyo na yan, Bagoong Balayan. Abay, masarap yan, malinis yan, kita ko pa ang ginagamit nila doon. Hindi kamay. Pero mga kaibigan, nandito po ako ngayon. I am here, sorry to my American constituents, but I am here this morning because I want to tell all of you, ladies and gentlemen, that this coming 2010 elections, don't forget, vote wisely. Not just for Senate, but for President. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, they've always asked me what my platform is. I have done a lot of things. In fact, in my first 100 days in Congress, I have already billed 45 bills. And I've already paid around 40. But my top 5 bills are, number 1, I have eradicated in Balayang, Batangas all the pirated DVD. Pirated DVD are very bad. It's very illegal. In Balayan, if you go now, there's no more illegal pirated DVD. It's already legal. Second thing I want to give to all of my constituents, if you vote me for Senate and for President, mga kaibigan, to all the teachers, I will give free education. To all the doctors, free medicine. To all the carpenters, free housing. Yun lang po, low-cost housing lang. But ladies and gentlemen, even to the pastors, I give you free gift of eternal life. But ladies and gentlemen, you know, on my way here, I was feeling kind of lonely and distressed. In short, I was feeling very uncomfortable. But because I want to tell all of you, if you open my heart, you will see Jesus Christ playing basketball. Because He occupies the forward, point guard, and center position of my heart. Thank you very much. And just to endorse me, mga kaibigan, tinawag ko lang po, from the team, Genuine Unity. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome none other than the former President himself, President Sherap. Palakpakan po natin si Sherap.
Good morning. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo po, gusto pong i-endorse tong si Congressman Wisely. I've known this guy for more than 10 years already. And his opponents have been robbing the Philippine nation for 6 years. So I plead to you, give him a chance. But ladies and gentlemen, ito lang po ang gusto kong masabi. If you support him, we will give you 24 hours ample protection against carnappers, kidnappers, hold-uppers, and especially the hoodlums in uniform. Dahil tulad ng sinabi ko nung ako'y naupo bilang inyong presidente, huwag niyo kong subukan. Dahil sa akin, walang kamag-kamag-anak, walang kakapatid-kapatid, walang kaibigan-kaibigan, walang ka-victory-victory. And just for the spirit of unity, and before I end, let me call on none other than my good friend, my confidant, my best friend, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Palakpakan po natin si President GMA who's here this morning.
Good morning. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Good morning, fellow Filipinos. My name is Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. You can call me GMA for short and Ate Glo for cute. Anyway, I am here today because I want to thank all of you for being active in the political activities that we have. And we rest assure you that we'll make sure the count will be very quick. Yes, very quick. And most important of all, I've just come here to endorse to you Congressman Wisely because of his cabinet members who would be also joining him if he win the national elections this coming 2010. And let me read to you his team, the team No Fear. Ang kanyang mga cabinet members for the arts and culture, Pastor Julius Fabregas. Para po sa AFP, Colonel Dennis Isleta. Para po sa DEX, ang inang guro po, si Tessie Aquino Oreta. For Finance po, Pastor Joey Bonifacio. And of course, for this morning, to give you his privilege speech as well and to give to you the policy of the No Fear team, mga kaibigan, let's all welcome the Foreign Affairs and VFA Director, Pastor Steve Morel. Palakpakan po natin.